Kung may nararamdaman na kayo na sakit at sabi ng doktor, ito, iwasan mo to, problema yon. Isa sa palaging iniiwasan ay yung mantika, yung pagluluto gamit ang mantika. Dito sa aking kitchen, may mga kitchen electronics dito na pwede ka magluto kahit walang mantika. Isa-isahin ko to para magka-idea kayo.
Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Sabi ni Doc Willie, kahit araw-arawin natin kumain ng itlog, healthy pa rin yun. Lalo na kung puro puti ang kakainin kasi yung puti ng itlog ay marami yung protein. At para mas healthy, dapat i-boil ang itlog. Para convenient ang pag-boil ng itlog, gumamit ng egg boiler na ganito.
Ilagay mo lang dito ang itlog and after 10 to 15 minutes, meron ka ng perfect boiled eggs. Kaya nito ang hard-boiled o yung medium malasado pa.
Para sa karagdagang kalaman about this Asahi Egg Boiler, manood sa video dito. Kung gusto natin mag-bake, we can use a convection oven or air fryer. Kung wala ka namang air fryer or convection oven, you can use a microwave like this. Pwede ka rin magluto dito.
Magaling to magluto ng bacon, tamang-tama ang luto, walang overcook na portion. I also tried cooking egg here pero di ko na perfect, parang kailangan lagyan ng mantika.
Xiaomi has released recently a non-smart model of this microwave oven. Check the video about this and the non-smart model.
By the way, Xiaomi has also released new models of its air fryer. The latest two variants ay merong glass window na pwede silipin sa loob ang pagkain habang niluluto para talagang convection oven ito. Kung may steamer ka sa bahay, mas maganda yon gamitin pang healthy cooking. Pero kung wala, ang ating rice cooker ay nagdudubol yan as steamer. Most rice cooker brands ay may dala na steamer.
Itong Xiaomi Smart Rice Cooker ay may kasama ng steamer at meron itong recipe for steaming doon sa Mi Home app ng ating phone. Ito namang electric or gas stove or induction stove ay pwede rin natin gamitin sa pagluto ng pagkain na hindi na kailangan gumamit ng mantika.
Paborito ko dito sa aking Xiaomi induction cooker ay yung hot pot. Ang napakaganda nitong Xiaomi induction cooker ay isa itong tabletop o countertop stove. So, perfect for hot pot session sa dining table.
Isa sa inabangan ko na Xiaomi kitchen electronics product ay yung Smart Filtered Water Dispenser Pro. Xiaomi has already announced it last week pero hindi pa po available sa market.
It's a reverse osmosis machine na portable lang. It is designed to use tap water mula sa ating faucet at i-convert niya into purified water using 6-stage reverse osmosis filtering process. Pwede to for drinking and cooking food. I think having that machine is better than continue using water from water station na di tayo sigurado kung malinis talaga.
That's it for now. Hopefully, I can buy the new Xiaomi air fryer and the new Smart Filtered Water Dispenser Pro. Abangan na lang ang mga susunod na videos dito sa aking channel. If you have ideas about healthy cooking, pakilagay dyan sa comment section. Daghang salamat!